How to send and request payments on Venmo. Whether you're trying to pay online or split bills, you can easily send or request these payments to other people. From the home screen of Venmo, in order to pay or request payments, you'll be able to see the option which says pay/request on the bottom of the page. You can just tap on this option. Once you tap on it, it's going to take you to this screen where it says pay or request. You can easily type in the person's name, Venmo ID or email address that is linked with their Venmo account on this screen, and then add in the amount that you're trying to pay or request. You can also type in where it says what's it for so that you can remind yourself or other people what this payment or request was for. And lastly, what you can also do is tap on the option which says private on the bottom right. This way, either you can make this payment or request private or make other people view this request or payment as well. So make sure you type in the name, the Venmo ID, the amount that you want to pay or request, the reason for this pay or request, and tap on either request or tap on pay. If you tap on request, the other person needs to follow through and send you the money that you requested. So those are the few steps that you need to follow in order to send and request payments on Venmo. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful. If you did, also make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified for more future videos just like this.